I feel very fortunate that I will be introducing you to the world of Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. My own journey into this mysterious tantric realm started early childhood when I would wake up from the sleep and I would see the photos of Shiva and Shakti or Lakshmi or Vishnu all around me. And the stories that my grandmothers and grandfathers told me about them, and my mother continued to do that, it always enchanted me. Is there any way I could be part of that world or that realm? And I remember when my mother was asking me to do the 18th part of Bhagavad Gita, she wanted to hear from my childlike voice that padya, and I was doing that for her. So this is all, the background was already prepared for me to understand what I'm actually now understanding. And I was studying in a Sanskrit school from the very beginning, from the kindergarten till the high school. Every subject was taught in Sanskrit. So this whole milieu was already ready for me, but at that time I didn't know what a heritage I have. I was actually feeling sometime that it is too much of information for me like a small child. I couldn't digest that at that moment. There was a point when somebody told my mother that if I would continue studying in Sanskrit, I would have no chance in the world to earn money. I will only be a priest or pandit. So my mother put me out from the Sanskrit school and put me in a convent English education. And I felt that like somebody has taken me out from the Garden of Eden and put me into the real world where money, finances, competition becomes the skills that I needed to own or harness. And that's what I did. I completed my educations in commerce and computer science, and I started working in the corporate world. After 12 years of working in the corporate world, I felt that I'm overweight, 86 kilogram. I had no joy or happiness in my life, and there was no woman around me because I was so focused on earning money and trying to reach to a goal which was given by this corporate world. A time came when I was just fed up of it, and I dropped everything in one night when I was living in UK, and I took a plane that very night, came back to India in Osho communities and started living there. And I lived there for 12 years, living with the more than 100 nationality, enriched my experience of how to connect with human being. And that's where, through love relationship, I was introduced to Tantra. And Tantra became my daily life. I would meditate, make love, connect, communicate with my lover, and fail many times. Breakup happens, and then again, coming out of the healing process and start the journey again. And from those all experiences, I started teaching Tantra. But I never knew this dream and desire was dormant inside of me, that one day I would like to introduce the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra to the world. And when I was teaching workshops for couples, singles, and men, usually I find that people, when they come to the workshop, they are not so proud of coming to a Tantra workshop and they want to learn Tantra. They are hiding somehow. And I felt like this is not right. Why people don't want to talk about Tantra and they don't feel proud? And then when I found that in the West, Tantra is synonymous or connected with sexuality, orgy, and all kind of perversion. And that became my mission now, that I would like to bring this authentic, purest form of Tantra to the West. And that's what I'm doing through this online training of Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. When I was in the community, I was introduced to Vigyan Bhairav Tantra by Osho. I studied his book where he was giving the discourses on this. And that became such a passionate path for me. Every day I would pick up a sutra and start practicing them. And you cannot even imagine, when I practice a sutra for more than 7 times, I feel like I'd become that sutra. It is inside of me. So when I am teaching that sutra, it is not an effort for me to do anything. It's just flowing through me. And that's what my joy is, to be a conduit through that Vigyan Bhairav Tantra transmission can be given to all of you. And if I would have a son or a daughter, and I would like to leave a heritage for them, a legacy behind, I would offer them the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra, because this encompasses the whole spectrum of human being, and you can take on a journey and enrich your life, which can bring celebration, joy, ecstasy, and love and meditation in your life. So that's the world. Now, through this online training, you can take part into this journey and enjoy your own self discovery, and you become that book, the Vigyan Bhairav Tantra. So it will be vibrating in your energy field. And then you don't even have to have a teacher or a guru or a book for you to understand what is Tantra. Tantra becomes you. And that's the intention through this training that Vigyan Bhairav Tantra is. So let's enjoy the world of Shiva and Shakti, the poetry, the magical mystery of life, and celebrate it.